Hey everyone, welcome to the daily job sharing series. Today I'm going to share a couple of jobs with you for freshers, which is for experience as well. So this is basically a disclaimer, which means whatever job needs I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want to be on a part of any scam, right? So let's start. So this is the first job, which is for the freshers. Yes, starting from the freshers. Probably this is a paid internship, cybersecurity, network engineer, and AI engineer is the position that they are hiring for. This is mail ID on which you can send your resume, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for an internship that will 100% will give you internship, then you can check out the URLs vihgroup.com/tci starting from tomorrow. Now this is basically Conserve Mister is looking for network security engineer. Requirements are they want hands-on Cisco, Juniper, SRX, firewall, routing, switching experience of 1 to 3 years of experience is required, and this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now the next is cybersecurity consulting organization is technically looking for vulnerability assessment and pentesting testing people's 2 years of experience required, and for a senior pentester it's 5 years of experience required. Senior OACP is preferred. Location is Karachi. Please ignore this one. The president is still looking for a job. The next one is network VAPT engineering. It's in Mumbai. 2 to 5 years of experience is required, and this is the required skills, right? You can check here, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? And guys, next one is basically remote job, which is network deployment scaling contract position. Michel Ediate Future and Solutions. Start with the mail on which you can drop your resume. This is the mail ID, and this is what you need to do. You should have good knowledge of networking, right? Now next opening is basically in mid-cat advisory. They want a SOC analyst operator. They are the key responsibility which will be assigned to you. They are the skill required, right? And this is the URL on which you can apply for the form, right? And this is like a doc for the student those who are looking for the internship, anything. If you're not getting response, you can ask them, you can call them for any response or something, right? Now next is in UAE. They want Azure Sentinel, and 3 to 5 years of experience required in association and all those things. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? L2 support engineer, Sky High Web Proxy, Noida 5 days work from office, Bharti Airtel. L2 support, Sky High Web Proxy, they are things which is required. You should have 4 plus years of experience. CCNA, CCNP, security, CEH is required. Kajal.chaudhary@airtel.com is the mail on which you need to drop interested, right? In the subject line. And this is the mail ID. Like this is what we have right now. Like if you're looking for a training of internship for on web application pen testing, because there's a lot of hiring, but people are running out of skills, right? So you can check out this URL. For SOC, you can check out this URL. Web application pen testing will be starting from tomorrow, which means 1st of February. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.